San Jose. And Coach Dan DeGeer, it's a pretty similar lineup as to what we have seen. It is Xavier Valdez who gets the start in goal. And of course, leading that line, Papa Endoy. What a season has been for him so far. There's the whistle, and away we go tonight from PayPal Park here in San Jose, California. Gonna send this one in. It's quickly headed away. It's Blancas who tracks it down. Blancas driven ball ahead, flicked through. Useni Buda going for the curler, and Buda scores! Useni Buda, that is a brilliant goal to open the scoring tonight. It was all setting up nicely. Blancas, it was flicked along, and Buda almost used Muji Marana. Switch the point of attack. It comes off here. Evans into the middle. It's Reed who couldn't keep it. Now the shot comes on, and Gonzalez finds the equalizer. Just like that for Houston Dynamo. They are back level 19 minutes in. Another look at it here. Couldn't keep it. Gonzalez said, all right, if you don't want it, I'll take it. Gonzalez to deliver again. More depth on this. Headed away. Sliding it forward. It's Maples. He scores. The center back finding himself in a shooting position, and he does not miss. It's 2 unanswered goals for Houston. Great little slip ball in, and Maples does the rest. Gonzalez all the way to the back post. It's headed down. Maples trying to keep this alive. Maples, he scores again! Oh, the center back is full of goals tonight for Houston. And the Dynamo have scored 3 unanswered. Buda gets this out wide. Numbers here. The ball's whipped in. Oh, and it's in. A 5-man wall. It's Hatagani goes low, it's spilled, and it's tapped in! And San Jose has found the equalizer! The return ball, Hatagan. Hatagan off the post! Blancas! This is out of play. I believe he was in an offside position. Comes into the middle. Seeley on the turn through traffic. It's there for Chow to chase. He cuts it back. Edwards for Blancas. Blancas scores! And San Jose has remarkably taken the lead. 3 unanswered goals, and the Earthquakes celebrate. Have to cycle it back to the other side. Edwards, Blancas, you thought he'd take it there. He took an extra touch, and then he went for power. Cleared away. Referee looks at his watch and brings this one to a close. What a win for San Jose.